right?
Do you want to be on camera?
On me, nigga.
He is. He's following us. Hey, William, get ready to run, bro. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, make a wish working here.
Because think about it. Well, if you don't mind me asking,
Yo, first off, you gotta ask people till you record them. First, you can't just walk up and start recording.
it's a public space. If you don't want to be recorded, we won't record.
No, it is a public space, but you.
Have a camera on me, nigga.
You want to be on camera?
I'm telling you.
But
So
what is
let's-
it?
I
Let's
told
switch-
them already. I'm like, nah,
Let's switch this. Let's switch it this way.
So what are you trying to do? Let's get to the bottom line. What are you
Trying to make these kids work again. Make a wish. Make them kids work again. He is. He's following us. Hey, William, get ready to run, bro. How y'all doing? We're good. We're good. We just got. I'm gonna be real. That guy's following us behind us right now. So y'all feeling it? Make a wish work again.
Make a wish?
Is there an exit back there?
Is there a what?
Exit back there?
Alright, put the camera up. Come on, let's go. Camera better get off this shit.
Yo. I don't do none of this. I don't do none of this. I'm not trying to pull a guy's leg or nothing like that. He dead ass is falling. Yeah, he's in the building.
He's in the building? He went over to the bowling alley.
He got no business. Can we just? Hey, you know what? Matter. He went to the left.
Yeah.
All right, we about to book it.